If you're still manually recording outreach videos, you're wasting time, like actual hours you will never get back. And the worst part, you might not even get the replies that you want. That's why today we'll talk about SendPotion. It lets you clone your face, voice, and even gestures and turn a single 4-minute recording into unlimited hyper-personalized videos that look and sound like you. In this video, I'll tell you exactly how it works, who is it for, what kind of results can you expect with SendPotion, and how much it costs. Sales videos take forever, and making them personalized feels impossible at scale. Potion fixes all of that. Step 1, you record once. Just one short training clip of you talking to the camera. Step 2, you write your scripts or paste in a template. Step 3, you got unlimited videos in your own voice, and style. Lip sync is tight, gestures are natural, and it actually looks like you said those words. Now imagine using that in your next cold email campaign, or following up with leads, or onboarding new users. Potion is already being used by reps at Opolo, Outreach, even PandaDoc to make sales feel like one-to-one without having to show up one-to-one. It even supports screen recordings, facecam conversations, multi-language videos, custom video pages, and even dynamic backgrounds. You can throw in emojis, stickers, GIFs, CTAs, make it on brand, show your client's website, and integrate SendPotion with over 50 tools. And the pricing for it is simple. 750 videos for $99 a month. You can pay $300 for unlimited videos, branding, domains, permission, team roles, and priority support. And you can even use white label and security and all the compliance you want for the enterprise plan. Now you may be wondering, is it really for you? Well, this app is for sales teams running outbound, CS teams drowning in ticket responses, product marketers who want to explain faster, and creators scaling courses, also selling them. Basically anyone who want to use personalized videos for cold outreach or warm outreach. So if you tried any other AI video tools and thought it looks fake, Potion is the right for you. Now if you need a tool to actually integrate Potion into your cold email workflows, I suggest you take a look at the video right here.